Dear students, today we will revise Geometry chapter number 7. Open your book, page number 125, workout 1. Question number 1. Name the shape described. Here some description are given. You have to write down the name of the shape. Question number A. Two flat faces, one curved face, two curved edges, no corners. This is cylinder. I have drawn cylinder here. Two flat faces. These are two flat faces. One curved face. The remaining portion is curved face. Two curved edges. This is one curved edge and this line is another curved edge. No corners. This is called cylinder. B. Three straight sides. No curved sides. Three corners. Triangle. One side, two side, three side, three corners. This is one corner, second corner, and this one is third corner, and no curved sides. Question number C. One curved face, no flat faces, edges or corners. Sphere. This one is sphere. Only one curved face is there and no flat faces is there. D. 6 flat faces, 12 straight edges, 8 corners. It may be cube or cuboid. This one is cube and this one is cuboid. Both have 6 flat faces, 12 straight edges and 8 corners. Now what is the difference between cube and cuboid? Each faces of a cube is a square and each faces of a cuboid is a rectangle. Question number E. One flat face, one curved face, one curved edge, one corner. Cone. This is a cone. One flat face. This is flat face. One curved face. Remaining portion is curved face. One curved edge. This line is curved edge. And one corner. This is one corner. F. No flat faces. One curved face, no edges, no corners. This is also sphere. Question number 2. Draw the diagonals of this rectangle. This is a rectangle. 4 sides are there. 4 vertex. And it has 2 diagonals. 2 diagonals means I have joined the diagonals here. With this point I have joined this one. So this is a diagonal. Similarly, this is also a diagonal. So, how many you can draw? 2 diagonals I can draw. Next, workout 2. MCQ type of question. Which plane figure will you draw on a sheet of paper to show an egg? Oval. Every face of a cube is a square because we know all sides are equal. So, it is a square. 3. Which solid shape has 2 plane faces and 1 curved face? Cylinder. After 3 we will do question number 5. How many straight lines can you draw passing through the both points P and Q? P and Q. 2 points are there. We can draw only one straight line using 2 points. So I have written 1. How many curved lines can you draw through points P and Q? Curved line means this is curved line. This one is curved line and this is straight line. Straight line I can draw only one and curved line I can draw many. Like this one. So many curved line I can draw. Question number 6. How many straight lines can you draw passing through point X? Only one point, that will be infinite. Infinite means many lines we can count how many lines I can draw. That's why it is infinite. Thank you, children.